What if I told you that every single piece of software you use, for your business, your side hustle, everything, was about to become completely free? And I don't mean a free trial, I don't mean a stripped-down freemium version, I mean fully unlimited and free, forever. I know, it sounds absolutely radical, but it's the core idea behind a brand new ecosystem we're going to break down today. Okay, let's just be real for a second. We're all feeling that subscription fatigue, right? That constant drip, drip, drip of monthly and annual fees for every little tool we use. It adds up, whether it's for your own projects or you're running a whole company. It kind of feels like we're just renting our own digital lives, one payment at a time. And you know, this isn't just a minor annoyance. For entrepreneurs, for startups, for any small business trying to get off the ground, these costs are a huge barrier. They can literally stop innovation in its tracks and prevent amazing ideas from ever happening, all because the tools you need are locked behind a pricey paywall. So what if we just flip that entire model completely on its head? This statement right here is the guiding philosophy behind a new project called TRIVE. And it's a powerful idea, isn't it? The thought that access to the best digital tools shouldn't be a luxury item, but a basic right that's available to everyone.
So TRIVE is the platform that's actually trying to make that philosophy a reality. It wants to provide software as a service, SaaS, as a fundamental right. But what does that really look like in the real world?
Well, there are three words here that make all the difference: integrated, free, and unlimited. Integrated just means all the different apps work together perfectly, right out of the box. And free and unlimited is exactly what it sounds like. No per-user fees, no subscription tiers, no usage caps. It doesn't matter if you're a team of one person or a team of 1,000. The cost is zero. Now, TRIVE isn't just one single application. It's a massive, sprawling ecosystem, and it's split into two main parts, each built for a different kind of user. Let's take a look at how it's all structured.
So on one side, you've got Vertex. That's the B2B or business-to-business suite. You can think of this as the complete digital headquarters for your entire company. And then on the other side, there's Origin. This is the B2C or business-to-consumer collection. It's packed with tools for your personal projects, for developers, for creators. You get the idea.
And the scope of what's on offer here is, well, it's pretty remarkable. For businesses, Vertex has the really heavy-duty stuff, like ERP systems and CRMs. These are tools that companies normally pay thousands and thousands of dollars for. And then Origin has all these incredibly useful things like BioLink tools for your social media or powerful website analytics, all for free. All right, I know what you're thinking right about now. Free and unlimited just sounds way too good to be true. How does a company build all this amazing stuff and then just give it away without going completely bankrupt? Well, that's because they've totally re-engineered the business model itself. So instead of charging you, the user, TRIVE's model is built on three really clever pillars that generate value in a totally different way. First, it's ad-supported. Second, it offers a really unique white labeling service which lets other companies rebrand and sell the software. And third, it's built around this fascinating new idea called user-owned AI. So instead of pulling out your credit card, your payment is just a little bit of your attention. Think about it like this. You know how you watch a quick ad to get a reward in a mobile game, or you listen to some commercials on a free music service? It's the exact same idea here. You watch a short ad and you unlock full professional-grade software.
This comparison really just lays it all out there. When you put TRIVE right next to a traditional giant like Salesforce, the difference is it's night and day. TRIVE is zero cost versus painful per-user fees. It's ad-supported versus subscription-based. And maybe the most important part, its AI is owned and trained by you on your data. The provider never touches it.
And the pace of development here is another thing that sets them apart. The team is running what they call a hyperscale product cycle, which basically means they are launching 2 brand new applications every single month. For you, the user, that means the platform is never static. Its value is just growing and growing really fast. So how does all of this actually hold together securely, especially these wild concepts like user-owned AI? Well, the answer is in the foundation. This whole system isn't built on the web as we know it. It's built on a next-generation decentralized infrastructure that some people are calling Web 4. And it has user control just baked right into its DNA. In simple terms, this means a couple of really important things for you. First, your security is handled through a universal, decentralized identity. So you're not just handing over your login info to some central company database. And second, you have what's called true data sovereignty. It means your data, your documents, your digital creations, they all remain 100% under your control, period.
So as of right now, the platform is perfectly optimized for small and medium-sized businesses. I mean, that's where the need for affordable software is the most critical, right? But the roadmap is super clear. They are actively scaling up the whole infrastructure to be able to handle the demands of huge enterprise-level companies within the next couple of years.
So let's just bring this all home. The big takeaway here, the whole point of all this, is that TRIVE isn't just about offering some free tools. It's about completely reframing our relationship with software, shifting it from something you rent into a right that you can access, empowering anyone with an idea to go out and build something incredible. And that really just leaves us with a huge final thought, doesn't it? If the essential tools for creating businesses, for innovating, become as accessible as, say, public information in a library, what new wave of creativity and entrepreneurship could that unlock? What happens to the world when the best software is finally free for everyone?